Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you on our channel. Today we present you the best haircut of the year. It's a pixie cut. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the fashion news. Pixie cuts and styles that will inspire you to go short. Rocking a short, pixie hairstyle takes guts, but the payoff is worth it. On top of being totally chic, pixie cuts tend to be no muss, no fuss, meaning they can save you tons of time in the morning. They're also super versatile, and they look great on every hair color, from blonde to auburn. If you have curly hair, pixies are easy to define with curl products, and they're also the perfect option for anyone that's going gray. If you've been thinking about cutting your hair in quarantine or simply update your current style, look no further than these celebrities for inspiration. From sexy side parts to boyish fringe, your new pixie cut is straight ahead. If you're in that awkward in-between stage of growing out your pixie and looking for ways to style it, you've come to the right place. It turns out there are countless ways to style a longer pixie cut. You just need the right inspiration to make it happen. The long pixie is an effortless take on the traditional pixie cut. It is typically short through the back and sides like a pixie, but with longer layers or bangs on top. It is a more low-maintenance alternative to the pixie. It's also a great look for someone who normally wears it shorter to change into. This style is great for all hair types and textures, and there are endless possibilities for styling it. Really, anyone can wear a long pixie. What exact cut you have, however, depends on your hair type or face shape. As with any hairstyle, you'll want to bring a few photo references to show your stylist so they can tailor a perfect cut for you. Below are 40 ways our favorite celebs have styled their longer pixie cuts. Rocking a short style can be difficult sometimes. The weather may cause your hair to frizz and look unpolished, or you may find that the overall aesthetic is not girly enough for your flirty feminine style. But there is no denying the ease of a short pixie cut, as it truly takes the guesswork out of the classic question of how you should style your hair each morning. The looks below range from curly and cute to sleek and spunky, with enough options to suit any woman's style. With its short and cropped length, the pixie cut offers a liberating and low-maintenance option that exudes confidence and flair. From edgy spikes and textured layers to soft side-swept bangs and sleek cuts, there is a multitude of short pixie cut variations to explore. We have curated a collection of inspiring and diverse ideas that we're confident will pique your interest. Sometimes a deep smoky hair color can overshadow or darken your features, which can be unflattering, especially for smaller faces. This does not mean that you must skip out on the gray trend for your super short cut. Try an icy gray blue hue to instantly brighten and inject a much-needed dose of coolness and chic into your look. Everyone loves a great haircut, men, women, young and old. Sometimes it can be hard to find one that is perfect for you and your style. With all those magazines and suggestions from social media gurus, it is easy to become overwhelmed with options. If you love casually voluminous hairstyles, we've got something to suggest. A daring number such as this one is sure to inject lots of sass into your daily look. The volume is built on the crown, with a cute feathered finish added. Layered pixie with nape undercut. This fabulous pixie with pinkish highlights on the silver base looks like an extra short stacked bob. The longer angled top layers create the perfect edges and texture for this one-of-a-kind short hairstyle. Long choppy pixie for straight hair. Upgrade your typical pixie and style it with long side bangs featuring a color accent. Go for a golden highlight on the pieces closest to your eyes, if your eyes are blue or brown. Very short piece Y pixie with highlights. Here's another cute short pixie cut with bangs. This one uses highlights on piece Y locks to bring attention to the crown of volume over an undercut. The key to this style is long bangs and short sides, so remember to maintain the undercut with frequent trims. Tapered pixie with textured top. The tapered nature of this pixie cut adds the hairstyle a whole lot of dimension. The dark, super short pixie creates a perfect frame to show off every sculpted angle on your face. From the side, the shaved undercut makes the tight crop appear ultra femme. Friends, thank you for watching the video to the end. The best thing, subscribe to our channel, put likes and click the bell.